Sample preparation. At the end of this video, you should know what are the types of sample, how to prepare samples, and what are the errors and examples of XRD pattern. So, what are the types of samples? There are two types of samples which are solid, such as wire, plate, thin film and powder. How to prepare samples. The sample must be in powder form. Then, place the sample into a sample holder. Lastly, flatten the surface to achieve a random distribution of lattice orientation. How to grind the sample. If the sample is in solid form, the sample can be ground by using mortar and pestle or macrone grinding machine. How to load the sample to the sample holder. The sample can be loaded by using top loading, side loading, and back loading. How does improper preparation of samples cause errors in XRD? In XRD, there are several errors that can be caused by improper preparation of samples. Improper preparation of powder samples include undergrinding and overgrinding. When the sample was grounded to a grain size bigger than 40 micrometer, it is considered undergrinding. The errors that are caused by undergrinding are absorption contrast, preferred orientation, poor signal-to-noise ratio and fluctuations in intensity. Absorption contrast occur as sample is absorbing X-ray instead of reflecting them. Preferred orientation is caused by crystallites are not randomly orientated. Poor signal-to-noise ratio and fluctuations in intensity usually happened when there is insufficient crystallites. On the other hand, if the sample is grounded to a grain size of less than 1 micrometer, it is overgrinding. The errors that are caused by overgrinding are broadening of peaks, amorphous surface layers, contamination and amorphization. Broadening of peaks is error caused by decreasing crystallite size or lattice strain. Amorphous surface layers occur as crystallites decrease to point long ordering of unit cell stopped. Contamination happened when grinding medium added into sample. Amorphization is caused by crystalline phases converted to amorphous phases. Before the end, let's look at the example of XRD pattern. The figure shown is the XRD pattern of aragonite.